I'm Rosanna Berardi, Managing Partner at Berardi Immigration Law. In April of 2017, President Trump issued an executive order called Buy American, Hire American. This executive order has had a great impact on the U.S. immigration law as we know it. Now, please note that an executive order is not a change of the law, but rather a suggestion, a very strong suggestion by a presidential authority. So what does the Buy American, Hire American executive order mean to you? Well, in one specific area, the H-1B non-immigrant category, we've seen many trends occur because of this executive order. Now, the H-1B category is reserved for professionals who have a bachelor's degree or the equivalent and a job from a U.S. corporation. So the H-1B category requires several steps in order to obtain status. One of the steps is to ensure that the foreign national is A, working in a specialty occupation, one that requires a bachelor's degree, and B, is being paid the prevailing wage, which is mandated by the U.S. Department of Labor. And a prevailing wage really means that the foreign national is being paid the same wage as a U.S. citizen worker. So the impact of this executive order, as we've seen it so far, is a disconnect between the specialty occupation regulations and any level 1 wage that is issued by the U.S. Department of Labor. Now, the U.S. Department of Labor is a federal agency. They look at job descriptions, they look at positions, and they assign it either a level 1, 2, 3, or 4. Level 1 being entry, level 4 being the most complex of job duties. What we're finding is U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, the agency that adjudicates these petitions, is looking at any petition that comes in with a level 1 wage, meaning entry level, and saying, not so fast, employer. If your employee is a level 1 wage worker, he or she is not a person that is working in a specialty occupation, which requires a bachelor's degree or higher. We're seeing a disconnect, and we're seeing the government questioning every level 1 case. So what does this mean to you if you want to hire a foreign national, or if you're a foreign national yourself who has a fantastic job offer at a U.S. company? It's really critical before H-1B petitions are filed, which typically happens on April 1st of each year, to contact our firm today. We'll look at the position, we'll do an analysis of the wage, and we'll let you, the employer, know if we anticipate any issues. There's a lot of strategy and analysis that can be done ahead of time so that we don't run into any issues when the petition is submitted. So contact Berardi Immigration Law today for all of your immigration needs, particularly H-1B petitions. We're going to see a very challenging H-1B season ahead of us, and we'll help you by providing innovative immigration solutions.